Okay, so this is the center of what we had in our mushrooms. Oh, it's divine. And what I'm going to do with it is do something different. So these are the tortillas that came into the Grando taco kit. And this is the soft. Well, they're not soft. If you stick them in the refrigerator like I did, that's a compliment to what they are right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick them in the microwave for like 30 seconds. It'll make these more pliable. Then what we're going to do is add the stuffing that were in the mushrooms inside of this, and we're going to put it together and make a nice little dish for tonight. Come and watch.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living.
Now this message is for Alan. I'm wearing your hat. Just thought I'd pass that along. Alright, so we're going to put this on, and like not even 30 seconds, it's just that's the shortest amount that my microwave will take care of. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a plate. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lay one here and one here. Get a giant spoon, doesn't have to be with holes. What you're going to do is you're going to lay it sideways. We're going to get the oven going. Alright, so the oven is right here. So I'm setting the oven on bake at 350 degrees, and I am starting the oven. Next will be to set up the pie plate. Okay, so what I noticed is when I picked this up, when there was hardly anything left in it. So this is what I came up with. I still kept it rolled, and I took a spoon while the oven is warming up. Take the rest of the stuffing and I'm going to stuff it inside of here so that there's something to eat when this cooks in the oven. Like this. CROFTON 13 by 9 by 0.78 of an inch pan. And I'm going to put in some parchment paper, and maybe I'm going to do a better job of it this time. The answer is no. There's got to be a secret to this. I'm not going to get it. Okay, so then we're just going to put these one on top of each other with the lip on the bottom. With this I'm going to cook on the side. I'm going to make a little ball, put it right here, and it'll be like a little appetizer. I think I'm going to squish them a little bit like that. This is what goes in the oven. So what I did next is I stuck it in the oven. So what we have is we have the timer on. Probably 20 minutes might be too much. I'll be checking it halfway in between to make sure that it's fine. Alright, well guess what? It's ready. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? So now what you do is you stick it next to your plate, go back to your oven, you turn it off, and then you don't see nothing over here, so you know it's safe. Okay, so then you're over here. Now it's still really, really hot, so you might need to use a spatula. And then these are the two little pieces, which I managed to make a very nice mess of. It's hot and it's good. Alright, so this is how it turned out. The burritos, which were filled with the spinach and artichoke stuffing, are just going to be delicious. And this is what's going to be my dinner tonight. Thanks for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.